Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to drive a Jeep Renegade. First, get comfortable. Adjust your seat and mirrors for the best view. Take a moment to understand your key fob and how to lock and unlock the doors. Then, familiarize yourself with the dashboard, noting where important gauges and warning lights are located. This initial setup is crucial for a safe and confident start. Now, let's cover the essential driving controls. Whether you have an automatic or manual transmission, understand its operation. Practice smooth acceleration and gentle braking to maintain control. Focus on mastering your steering wheel for precise handling, especially when navigating turns or tight spaces. These fundamental skills are key to confident driving. If you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more content. On another note, a quick recommendation. Bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker. It's great for music or navigation on your drives. Check the description for a link and other deals. Now, let's get back to the video. The Jeep Renegade offers unique features for enhanced driving. Learn to utilize the Select Terrain system to adapt to different road conditions, from snow to sand. Understand your vehicle's advanced driver assist systems for added safety. Practice various parking maneuvers, including parallel and reverse parking, to confidently navigate any spot. For those adventurous moments, your Renegade is ready for some off-roading. Engage the appropriate four-wheel drive mode for the terrain. Remember to maintain a slow, steady pace over uneven surfaces to prevent damage. Practice proper techniques for ascending and descending inclines, ensuring you stay in control.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.